AI, artificial intelligence in digital marketing. So this is basically an overview of the various tools and other applications, AI-based applications that is being currently used in digital marketing for content creation as well as for different forms of digital marketing. So first, we look into the importance of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, it helps in productivity. So if we have to look at the definition of productivity, so productivity is calculated as the ratio of goods or services to input, ratio of output to input over a specific period. So productivity is like if you need uh, 3 days to complete one content, if you need 3 days to do one particular content, then how can you do it faster? So AI is helping with that. So it is doing most of the work in much lesser time that we as uh, human beings would need. So in digital marketing, it is helping businesses to automate processes. Yes, I do have my presentation on. Are other students being able to see my screen? Okay, so I'm getting one positive. I think it will be the network then. Okay, I maybe you can quickly refresh your browser, then you might be able to see it. I also have the recording going on, so after the class I will upload it. Okay, so coming back to the class, so it's about AI in digital marketing. So AI, the significance in digital marketing of AI is that it enables businesses to automate processes, analyze vast amount of data, and engage with customers effectively. So um, say companies, they have different processes. So all of the work that a company does, it takes that as a process. So a process, if we have to visualize, if we have to understand a process, so a process is like a flow of things, what they do. So it's not very complicated. So say sales process would include people to understand it, and then um, they will say in a shop, what's the process of usual uh, buying and selling. Say a shopkeeper will open a shop, people will come to his shop, they will look at the things that he has in display, and then they will inquire the price. He will negotiate with the price or sell it at MRP, sell that this price is so and so, and then he will make the sale. So that is a sales process, right? So for digital marketing in forms of different form of companies, many companies don't have stores like that. They have other forms of sales. So their processes are different. Just like when, just like algorithms in programming language. Just like we have a process of how we make tea. So we take our utensil, switch on the gas, pour water on the utensil, put it on the gas. So and then we put the tea leaf, then we put the sugar, we boil it till a certain time, and then we have a tea. Then we rinse it, we strain it, using a strainer, and then we have a clean tea. So that is a process of creating tea. So businesses have different process. For product oriented businesses, they will have product creation process, product using machinery or something like that. And then for service based processes, there will be a sales process, there will be a pipeline. Like in video production or in any form of production, even when we are creating graphic design, we have certain thing called a mood board. So we utilize a mood board, then we create the mood for the design, then we collect the content for the design, then we create the graphic design. Similarly, for video production, we have a pre-production, post-production, post-production. So those are examples of processes. So using AI, we can automate processes, then analyze vast amount of data. For example, let's again elaborate on these processes. So ideally, if say using ChatGPT, I know many of you have already used it. So say for certain sort of research-based task or for your class assignments, for example, what you would have to do is you would have to do your own research. You would have to search on Google. You would have to collect all of those data, and then you would have to understand it and then compile your answer. That is the process of us doing class assignments in this current time, right? But then using AI, we can automate that. We can just ask AI, and AI will give us the answer in a way that we need it. So that is how AI is doing it. Even for scripts, we have something called sales pitch, right? So sales pitch is a pitch. So it's like a message that we are doing. Even in previous class that we saw that everything is pushed down into 15 seconds pitch. So everything has to be 15 seconds. We can ask AI to do that. So say if it's a product for say a baby product. So if we have to sell a baby product in 15 seconds, what we would have to do without AI is look at competitors, how they are doing it. We would have to do the research, and we'll have to do a lot of things by our own skills. Maybe we'll have to look at Google, go to different forums, look at many videos, get an idea, and then compile our own processes like the strategy, the content calendar that we are talking about in most of the classes. That is, or say that was a lengthy process that used to take a lot of labor and a lot of manpower. A lot of time was involved. But then, since everybody needs it that fast, people also are looking at that fast. That's why what we are doing, we can use AI to automate it. So we will get a script. Usually, a script used to take about 3 4 days time to come up with a good script. Nowadays, we get script examples in just 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. Also, we can just specify what niche market, if it's baby product, if it's services, if it's about different products, if it's about different services, we just ask AI, then AI will give us that examples of the script. Since everybody is using AI and in digital marketing, we also are trying to be unique, what other people are not doing. We want to stand out. That's why it's not viable, it's not recommended to just copy paste what AI is giving, but then AI will give you a very good framework that you can work on. And using that framework, you can um, put in your, give your own inputs to it, and then you can have a good script. So that in specifically in content creation, that's what businesses are doing to automate processes, as well as graphics design also nowadays are done in AI. There's also image generation that would usually take days for somebody to design an image using Photoshop. So that can be done nowadays within 5 minutes itself. So Photoshop tasks also have become very easy. It has become automated. Then to analyze vast amount of data, suppose if we have Excel sheet for data entry processes, for data entry work, there will be Excel sheets of data, say a lot of calculations to be done, many Excel sheets to be done, uh, many pages of Excel sheets to be done, or say there are like 100-page PDF, maybe 10, 100 pages PDF. So that's 1,000 pages. So using AI, we can analyze vast amount of data. We are using the same technique in digital analysis. So when we are doing Google Analytics or we are looking at the analysis insights of our campaigns or digital marketing, so we can utilize AI to do it uh, with a lot of information in a very short amount of time. Maybe a person would need 3, 4 days to do it, and AI can do it in just 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so, as well as engagement with customers effectively. So there are AI bots, AI chatbots, it's called. So those AI chatbots are used uh, for many different websites, and they can answer questions as simple things that they usually they would have to hire somebody to do it, um, like business process outsourcing. It's BPO, KPO, and all those. So they will have to hire somebody to do to be available there. So all of those, the answering questions, frequently asked questions, and those sort of things, AI can do it more effectively and efficiently. So there's a boom in use of AI. AI is it's going to replace a lot of jobs, yes, but those job holders or those workers who are using AI, utilizing AI effectively, so they are going to rise. Okay, give me a moment. I think my system also is. Okay, so AI transforms marketing strategies by enabling precise targeting, personalized content delivery, and efficient resource allocation. So AI in terms of marketing, the targeting that we are doing, what time to post, whom to target, all of those questions, we would have to do surveys in traditional marketing. We would have to do a lot of research, even in digital marketing. Now that we have AI, it's just a question away. So we can just ask AI, and AI will give us a proper answer. If we know prompt engineering, if we know how to ask, then AI can give us a more targeted answer. Even in content creation, also AI can be used to create content effectively, as well as the A/B testing and the resources that have to be allocated. So A/B testing, we have been I have been repeating it in the class. So A/B testing is where we create campaigns. We create two variations of the same campaign. If it's for brand awareness or if it's for sales, maybe the artwork, the design is different. So we will test with both and then we will see which one is more effective. And then we will allocate research efficiently. We will allocate research similarly. So all of those processes can be automated with AI, and AI will uh, do a better job at analyzing those data. So organizations leverage AI algorithms to predict consumer behavior and tailor their marketing efforts accordingly. So this results in higher engagement rates and return on investment. I will show you some websites, AI websites. Of course, you might have already used ChatGPT. There's also Perplexity for different forms of those. So various brands have successfully implemented AI in their marketing approach, leading to innovative campaigns and improved customer experiences. If we go to LinkedIn, then LinkedIn has more and more AI-based applications that are coming up. So real-world applications of AI range from chatbots that enhance customer service to predictive analytics that drive campaign success, showcasing its profound impact on business operations. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So this Code is an AI agent. So Hostinger is a website domain and hosting provider. So Code, it says, "Hi, I'm Code, Hostinger AI sales expert. How can I help you today?" So I can ask the AI, "What can you do?" So this is an AI example of an AI chatbot. Earlier, some person had to be there to do it. So this is what Code can do. I can help you choose the best hosting plan, domain name, email solution for your needs. Since it's a website, a domain and server hosting website. I can also answer questions about our products, features, and guide you through purchase process. Can you help me create a WordPress website? So it says, absolutely, I can guide you through choosing the right hosting plan, setting up WordPress, getting your website online quickly. Could you tell me more about your website? Will it be a business, blog, portfolio, or something else? Like this. So this is a good example of AI chatbots. So this is an example of real world application of AI apart from what ChatGPT, Perplexity, then Bing, all of those are doing. The benefit of using AI is that it's time saving. AI automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer inquiries. So I am a customer, I am inquiring something. It does not guarantee that I will buy or not, but I can just ask AI. If it was somebody doing it, then their time would be wasted if I don't purchase. And it also saves time in content creation, allowing marketing teams to focus on strategic initiatives. Enhanced personalization, because when we used to do it ourselves, content creation and all, so we had to remember a mood board. If you mood board. So a mood board is a visual collage of images, text, and other design elements that is used in designing. So say this is an example of mood board and result. Okay, so let's so many images were collated, were put in a single document, and then from there they come up with the final design. So a mood board is used to create graphics design with a particular style, the text and all. When we look into Google, when we are starting with some design, then we go to Pinterest, we go to Google, we look for examples that we like, and then we usually save it in some folder, or we save it in our download folder, and then from there we see that, okay, I want the text to be like this, I want the graphics to be like this, I want the color to be like this, I want certain elements to be like this. So we combine everything that we want into one single document, and that's what we call that as mood board. So you can do your own research in terms of mood board. So that's basically how we do a design. And then like that, we can personalize what design we are working on and whom we are targeting. That itself, looking through Google and finding examples itself, it used to take a lot of time. Now using AI, we can do that within seconds, within minutes. We don't have to do up too much of that labor. Personalization is a key benefit of AI, as it allows companies to tailor messages and offers to individual consumer preferences. With the mood board also, what we will tell, the online value proposition also, AI can suggest you, if you feed AI what your business is about, then AI can give you suggestions, can give you examples of what can be right. Through data analysis, AI can identify user patterns and deliver relevant content that increases engagement and conversion rates. So AI can go through different websites by itself and then pull out the result. So the research that we have been doing in, say, for example, the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing, we can ask AI, and then AI can give you a bullet point, straightforward answer. If you had to find an answer, then you would need to um, do your own research, utilize a lot of time, right? But with that, as students, I don't want you guys to rely too much on AI. Know how to use AI, but then when you do your own research, you learn extra. So that extra AI won't be able to provide you. AI will give you precise answers. So if you, the basics is important. So if you do your own research, then you will learn, always you will learn extra. When you are filled up with those extras, then you need direct answer, then maybe it's okay to use AI. But as students, know how to use AI, but then don't use AI in every step of your journey. Then AI benefits, it's time saving automation, enhanced personalization, improve decision making. Because AI can give you examples, so users have to choose from all of those options. Otherwise, if we have to do online value proposition, small lines, the USP, unique selling point, unique selling proposition and all. Then we had to brainstorm and find three, four examples. And then from there, we had to take a good decision to um, go with one particular online value proposition or one particular line. Or say for logo examples, we had to create a lot of different ideas on our own. AI can give you those suggestions that you want so and so, you want monogram, you want with text, you want an emblem. AI can give you suggestions. Of course, all of the time, AI is not perfect yet, and it still needs and it will be needing human intervention. Then we have AI use cases. So content creation strategies, where we are creating the content strategy, the content calendar, and all those. So tools like ChatGPT, Jasper.ai can draft articles. If you have not used ChatGPT so far, so ChatGPT is a free platform. There's also different package, and then you can ask ChatGPT certain questions, and then ChatGPT will give you answer. Like say, create a content for my perfume business targeted at teenagers and adults up to 40 years, mostly female, based in Uganda. Show me in table format. So it is with just that short video of our sense, our vibe, carousel, how to choose the right perfume for your mood, theme packaging orders and testing and all those. So this is every day what we can post. So it has already given us. Similarly, there's Jasper.ai. So this is mostly a paid one. So unifies the brand experience, accelerates content velocity. So this is more specific. AI is general. So AI, you can ask all sort of questions to AI. This one, this Jasper.ai is specifically for marketing purposes. And of course, it also has a pricing involved. So there's no free plan as such. You can have a free trial. So I'm leaving this one for you to do. There's also perplexity, which is sort of uh, similar to ChatGPT. It can do the same thing. Okay, I'll just copy paste. There are 20 sources, so it went to different websites. So there it's like launch teaser, benefit post, polls and quiz, perfume, and all those. In ChatGPT, you can also in here in Perplexity as well as in ChatGPT, you can upload a lot of say you can upload a lot of Excel sheets or Google Docs or PDF documents. You can also Okay, let's say you can also ask it to the, let's say, a form. Right now, that will be no. Let's say. So this is just a basic, random contact us site. So I'm just showing you what it can do. Okay, this seems a little bit more detailed. So say I just take a screenshot of this. I don't know if it has. Okay, I have it in my clipboard. I just go and paste it, and then I say analyze and give me answers. So AI is saying this is a contact customer support branch from a brand website K18 here. Break down it for you clearly. Allow form submission, all those. So first name required. So it's giving me a breakdown of what it is. So this is just a simple example of what AI can do. So it can analyze the images that we have, not only image creation, but also for data, we can use AI. The goal, the target of this class is to make you aware of what AI, what you can be doing in AI. But then, of course, you should do your own work at first, and then you should use AI, because if you are too much dependent on AI, that if AI is not there, you can't do anything, then that will be like a handicap. Like you will be creating a straitjacket for yourself. You will be handicapped without AI. AI is good to enhance your skills, to enhance your productivity, but then it's your productivity in the end. So tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI can draft articles, create social media posts, and help develop marketing copy, the copy content. Like we have already the content calendar, it says the content idea as this. So we can elaborate on all of this, and it also has a call to action here: follow for more, save and share, comment if it's right, tag a friend, and all those. These technologies analyze trends and audience preferences to ensure that the content resonates with targeted demographics, increasing engagement and streamlining production. Streamlining production because it is giving you the pipeline. You can also ask the pipeline of how to do a certain production, how to produce a certain service related product. AI use cases, content creation strategies, customer support innovations, like we have in the case of Hostinger that we checked out. So Hostinger, these tools provide instant responses to customer inquiries, enabling 24 into 7 support. They can also learn from previous interactions to improve their responses over time, ensuring a more satisfying and comprehensive customer experience. AI use case. ad targeting optimization. So AI's capabilities allows businesses to optimize their ad targeting process. So advanced analytics. So all of those data that we have, say the insights, this one we can take a screenshot, we can feed it to ChatGPT, we can let ChatGPT know this is of Inferno DTF t-shirt printing business. How can I improve it? Or I can also give a sales oriented target. Give me an elaborate roadmap to increase sales. This increased sales can be to increase brand awareness, increase sales, or whatever your KPI, your goal is, your target is in say 2 months time. It's analyzing that, so it's giving the breakdown. Takeaway: your content is not reaching enough people. So from what we have, this is the analysis that most other applications will be doing. Paid applications will be doing it more clearly, of course, but then you can also get the job done using ChatGPT or Perplexity. But the small audience that does see your post is engaging and following. Your product is appealing, but you need to boost visibility plus conversions. So it's giving me a strategy, roadmap, content strategy, content mix, targeted ads, 18 to 35 in Uganda, it's saying. So since it's not in Uganda, but then anyways, since I am talking about in Uganda, so it's giving me that. It's following the trend, the following that particular conversation. Partnership collabs, trust builders, second month, boost conversion and repeat orders, promotion and offers, direct engagement, community events, ad optimization. KPI targets, reach, interaction, follower, sales. So these four are the KPI by the end of 2 months. In short, month one, visibility, trust. Month two, conversion, repeat orders. So you can get the job done easily using AI, but you yourself will have to know at first that what is reach, interactions, followers, and sales. How do we do it? Right? So this is a very short and precise one. I also have my ChatGPT already set up in a way that it does not gives me long answers. But then, if you have not, then ChatGPT is going to give you a very long answer. So that's advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms. By analyzing user data, AI can identify the most relevant audience segments, allowing more effective ad placements. So I can also ask the target of what who is liking. There will be other screenshots also. So if we know which screenshots to provide, if we need for audience, we will have to provide for the audience. Then we can ask particular questions about the audience. So AI can be your great assistant. It will be it is in your assistance, of course. So it cannot lead you. It can give you good assistance. So you will have to know what to do, and AI can aid you in what you're doing. Popular tools, we have ChatGPT as we saw. Then there's Jasper AI. Then we have Lumen 5. So Lumen 5, it's free till a certain time. maybe my free time already is up, but then let's see. Log in with email. Okay, this one was different that. So let's say chat to video, create a new video using your text. So there are templates that we can use, or we can just keep it, accept all that, and then let's see. I want say text on media. I can either import a URL or I can paste text. I can say, give me a copy content for the first brand awareness post. So this is the copy, the captions. From blank to bold, this is inferno, da 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 da, and all those. So content, process video, brand reveals a visual, blank to bold. This is the same one. We can just copy this, and then we can just paste it here, and then compose script. Got it? Content you provided is too short. Okay. Post one, we just copy it, we paste it, analyzing content. We have the already the title here, target on this, the text, it comes here, then we just check it. If you want, we can edit it, or like script instructions. Of course, that's paid. We are on the free thing. We can change guide media. I don't want to guide any media, just want to see of what generate video. So see, we in the script, we have upbeat Uganda Afrobeat music. So Ugandan we have already given. So it's already taking for the footages also. So we preview the video. So to create the script itself, it will have taken a lot of time. To create the video also, it will create a lot of time since you're already doing it. And of course, with AI, if we use a particular template, then we will need it the way that we want it. AI, it cannot save you from, um, like, it can automate the process, it can do the work, but then you cannot get it done in the specific style. It can maintain the brand, of course, but then it cannot do it in the way that you will think as a human being, right? Maybe we have like text animation, we want it in a particular style, like precisely in a particular style, that we cannot get it this easily. So this is just like a generic video that we get with the generic script that we have come up, and AI is giving this to me. It will also give the same thing to other brands as well. So there won't be uniqueness when we are using AI. But in sense of productivity, it's fast. So this is Lumen 5 if you want to work it out later. So that is video creation from text. These tools are designed to enhance productivity, facilitate creativity, and integrate seamlessly into existing marketing workflows. Of course, what we can do is we can use this video as an example, and then from here we can create our own specialized, unique video, unique content. There's also specific tools for marketing. There's copy.ai. So the copy that I created for the content, so copy.ai, it specifically does that. So this is what it can do. Contest, also content creation, inbound lead. So inbound is what is coming in, lead processing. So it will do your analytics as well as content creation and about the copy content, how to do the sales outreach and all those. So those are typically marketing terms. There are reviews for generating marketing copy, Surfer SEO, for optimizing content for search engines. So Surfer SEO is the SEO that we are doing. We can, with SEO, there's a new term that's coming up. It's not in your module, but then because it's a very new term, there's answer engine optimization. So ChatGPT is an answer engine. It answers your question. That's why, like search engine optimization, we can also boost our visibility in ChatGPT and surferseo.com and websites like these, particularly Surfer SEO. It can help with your SEO, that can uh, create your articles in a way that it's easy for ChatGPT to access your articles. Essentially, we will have to go through, we will have to write blogs, we will have to write content with text content. Each of these tools focuses on particular aspect of the marketing funnel, allowing businesses to leverage specialized software to maximize effectiveness. So funnels are processes. There are different processes. So that's what we are saying. Like in marketing processes, content creation is one process. Content creation itself has many broken down processes. There's emerging AI technologies in marketing encompass predictive analytics tool that forecast consumer behavior. I can ask ChatGPT also uh, the when I give it the analysis that this is my current audience, I'm getting this result. That's the view, content interaction, link clicks, and all those. So uh, on Facebook, it can effectively use, it can effectively tell how the consumer is behaving, and it can also forecast how the behavioral patterns of the consumers can change. It can sort of predict the trends. Personalization engines that enhance customer journeys. So when we also create our own account in different websites, so what the user is doing in what particular way, like say if we go to Instagram or say in TikTok, you go to TikTok, the first thing that you do in TikTok is you go and see reel, and second thing you do is you see reel. The third thing you do is you see reel versus another person who goes to TikTok and the first thing they do is create a reel. The AI will know that that person is there to create, another person is there to see, and then somebody who sees the reel and then does the reel, what reels you're watching, what reels you're creating, that can be used to personalize what your uh, like your particular website and your particular journey in that website will be. Just like if you see a particular content, if you're seeing dance videos in TikTok, then the algorithm will show you more of dance videos. If you're seeing more of educational videos, which are teaching you skills, then AI will show you different videos which will show you more and more skills. Then there's also advanced data analytics platforms capable of processing vast data sets like ChatGPT. You can give in a lot of Excel sheets and all those. You can uh, upload photos and files, and then you can ask it to analyze those data and then give you uh, particular measurements. So these innovations are continually evolving, enabling marketers to stay ahead of trends and consumer expectations. This is ongoing. This is what is happening right now in the world. AI is taken the world by storm. Many things have become already AI. AI is there in a lot of our day-to-day activities nowadays. With that, there's also ethical considerations because we are talking highly about the moral values, humanization of brands, how the shift have shifted from brands to consumers, how the power has come into our hands, right? So using those powers, we cannot create another brand which will overshadow and who will suppress the people. So we are using those technologies with a lot of ethical consideration. There are lots of laws that are there, and those if you don't follow those rules and those ways, your Google Ads account can get suspended, your Facebook account can get suspended, it can get blocked, even if you have a lot of fund in it. So with AI particularly, the most ethical consideration in terms of AI is that the impact on job displacement, because AI already has automated a lot of tasks that used to take days for human employees to be done with. So while AI can enhance efficiency, organizations must consider strategies to retrain, upskill their workforce to mitigate potential negative impacts and retain valuable human insight. So we need that human connection. Of course, instead of a team of 10 in companies, maybe they now have a team of 3, 4 people who are using AI and doing the same. Many codings also, even in big companies like IBM, Intel, in those Google. So the coding and all also nowadays are done by AI itself. Addressing bias in AI. So addressing bias in AI is critical to ensure fair and equitable marketing practices. So it's like AI is feeding on what is available on the internet. So AI can give you false information because AI does not know what's right and what's wrong. So when we are doing AI, when we are doing AI engine optimization, then we should be doing it in a way which is like we should not have any we should not take unfair advantages to it. Companies must actively work to recognize and correct biases in their data sets. So we should not feed misinformation to AI so that we can prevent unfair advantages or discrimination in marketing efforts. And we should promote inclusivity and ethical standards of all of those that we are constantly talking in the marketing classes. While building up AI, we should ensure transparency as the what I'm feeding on ChatGPT is being collected by ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is using that information to train its AI. What I'm feeding on Perplexity and other AIs, so that is uh, improving the AI by collecting data, what people are doing, what people are asking, what can be the all of those answers and all. So it's building its own it it building its own knowledge base as well. So transparency in AI usage is vital for building trust with consumers. Marketers should be open about how an AI influences decision, data collection, and pricing strategies. Like in case of Hostinger, what I'm asking it, that is being collected by Hostinger company. So Hostinger should be open. Just like we have in permission marketing, we should keep it transparent. By prioritizing transparency, businesses can foster a positive relationship with their audience and navigate ethical consideration responsibly. So this is the ethical consideration that the companies should understand that it has impacted on a job, that uh, companies are not run entirely by AI because people will need to retrain. And then even AI also is not that it it still it cannot automate everything on its own. There has to be somebody who like oversees all of this. Then when people are feeding, addressing bias in AI, feeding information, answer engine optimization, then those feeding also should be ethical. There should not be any, it should not take unfair advantages that AI is feeding it on its own, on that data and then learning something which is not correct. It should not have discrimination. And companies should ensure transparency and should tell why they are collecting data if they are collecting data. In conclusion, the integration of AI into digital marketing presents significant advantages, including automation, personalization, and enhanced decision-making capabilities. Understanding the applications and ethical implications of this technology is crucial for successful implementation, ensuring that organizations leverage AI effectively while maintaining trust and fairness in their marketing practices. So the key takeaways in today's class is ChatGPT, that I'm sure most of you have already worked on it. There's perplexity, how ChatGPT answers how ChatGPT answers the assignment is it's in a particular way. If you have used it too much, then you will be able to tell which is from Perplexity, which is from ChatGPT. So people have already started to know the difference. So ChatGPT, Perplexity. There's also Lumen.py. Since we are doing content creation, Lumen5.com is a good place where you can try to create different content. There's also Canva. If you have already used Canva also has free AI and then lots of different things. But then these all are paid. You have to know the basics. So they are not going to teach you about color harmony. They are not going to teach you about design aesthetics, about composition technique, about all of those basics. And you have to have it in your own uh, experience, in your own skill set as a designer or as a marketer. So many things are automated in here. Canva has an AI. It will do different forms of AI. It can create templates as well. There's also Adobe Express. So there are different AI websites, a lot of AI websites. So this is by Adobe, which is also free. So that's generate with AI. That's generative AI. It can generate image, remove object, insert object, all of those things. So this is not going to teach you any skill, but this is going to enhance your productivity. It's going to do your job in a faster way. That's why when we are using AI, we should be careful that we do not use AI so much that it handicaps us. There are also other AI websites, but then let's keep it till like Lumen 5. Just go through Lumen 5, Canva, and Adobe Express if you want. There's also Adobe Firefly. So Adobe Firefly can do text to video, text to image, generate sound effects, translate video, image to video, and all those. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Do you have any questions, anybody?